HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It refers to the technology and systems used to control the temperature, humidity, and air quality in buildings, vehicles, and other enclosed spaces. HVAC systems are designed to provide comfort and maintain a healthy indoor environment. Here's a brief overview of each component of HVAC. Heating. HVAC systems provide heating during colder months to maintain a comfortable temperature. Common heating systems include furnaces, boilers, heat pumps, and electric heaters. Ventilation. Ventilation is the process of exchanging indoor and outdoor air to improve air quality. It involves the removal of stale air, odors, and pollutants, while bringing in fresh air from outside. Ventilation systems include fans, air ducts, and air exchangers. Air conditioning. Air conditioning is responsible for cooling and dehumidifying indoor spaces during hot weather. The most common type of air conditioning system is the central air conditioner, which uses a compressor, condenser, and evaporator to cool and circulate air. Other options include window units, split systems, and portable air conditioners. HVAC systems are crucial for maintaining a comfortable and healthy indoor environment in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. They help regulate temperature, control humidity, and provide adequate air circulation. Properly designed and maintained HVAC systems contribute to energy efficiency, occupant comfort, and overall well-being.